ketchup.
Oh, no, I fell.
It's okay, it's okay. Whoa, nice. It's okay. Let it.
Oh, no.
It's okay, baby.
Ano nasa yung pang swimming niya? Hindi ito na rin, no?
What?
Hello, Daddy. Ang galing ni Caitlyn. Ang bilis niya ng sunod. Wow. Oh, very good.
Hindi siya ba eh.
Mm.
Hindi siya.
Baka may bumili pa niya sa'yo. Dahil sa giho yan. Presyo mo
This
sa
is...
bibili pa yan sa'yo. Lalo ito.
Finish line. Okay, go.
What do you say finish line?
Show JJ the way to his brother.
Huh?
Yeah. Show JJ the way to his brother. This is JJ. This is the brother and the sister.
She have to... She found a pumpkin and she's a dog.
Yes.
Where did she buy that?
I don't know. Okay na, go na. Push.
She's a...
Kaya yung gulin, dami nito. Dadalhin ko lahat. Hindi lang.
You friend this is a coins.
Okay.
They need coins and then I feed you. Oh, I have to turn around.
Yes.
I'm at 8. Here, Chef.
Go here and here. You have to follow the line. Not that one, the other one. Yeah, that one, correct. Very good.
Six.
Yay! Whoa, very good.
How about this?
Yay.
What's color?
Sige na.
You have a yellow?
Yeah, you can color more orange. Sige na.
Because I want him to be nice. Whoa.
You see that two teeth? This one big, this one small. ka na, oh. Punta ka doon sa iyo. Tulog ko na pangin na mama. Itlin, oh. Ate, oh. Itlin. Gusto mo na?
Where are you going?
Talo mo na kay Sakti.
Oh, CPR! Rescue!
Uy, Zach! Sino yun? Ay, putik ka. Ay, wala tayong...
Takbuhan ganyan.
Ah, talagang ano?
Wala. Para siya makatakbo ng ganyan, ang ganyan pa naman makabalik ng ganyan.
Kaya...
Kaya!
Caitlin, bitawan mo kasi yan.
Ako sali.
Put it down.
Put it down that one.
Ako sala sa inyo. Kaya! Kaya!
Go, go. See, you're fast. Oh. Caitlin, go taya.
Where is Tita Lola?
Where is she?
No more loloping na tomorrow. Like this. Ayan, Caitlin, oh. Caitlin, ayan, oh. Ang bayad ko sa parking, sigurado ko siya malaki na yung babayaran ko ng parking. Bilugan mo ko sa ano. Kami, give it.
Eh, business yun din sa kabila, ha? Papabuksan daw yun. Business class na? Ito lang po muna.
Move fast. Caitlin, say bye-bye Philippines. That? What's that? It's an airplane? Wow, airplane pala yan. 35 lang, me.
Oh, there's the watching. You have to watch here.
Wow. Dali lang, sit down na. Where are you now, Caitlin?
We're going to buy.
Dubai. Okay.
Whoa.
We're back home. Second home.
So doctors. And there are here.
Follow that guy.
Where? Here?
Yes.
It's not here.
No.
It's here.
Yeah. Go faster, run.
Okay, I'm here.
Uy! Mami, yan yung charger. Asa?
What is that?
There are my chickens yun.
Wow, galing niya. Good job.
T-Rex and what's that? Triceratops?
Yeah.
Wow.
Nice.
Yeah.
Dito, para makita mo ang pansit.
Pansit yan? Pansit na may sahog o sahog na may pansit? Chef for today, si Aling Josie. Aling Josie, luto na ba?
Happy birthday to you.
One more time. Happy
Birthday to you.
Happy birthday
To you.
Happy
Happy birthday to you.
Blow ko na. Mag-wish pa ako.
Yes.
Eh sa birthday, sinasabi, blow na kayo, blow kayo. Wish ka muna, wish ka muna. Walang nagkaganon eh.
wish ka muna.
Yay! Yeah, boy.
Smashing of cake.
Cakes.
What cakes? Open? Wow!
Eh, wow!
Open it.
Open this? Thank you! Ayos to, may cake namin. Ice cream pa si Daddy ah.
Daddy din ice cream.
Ano ba yan?
Let's open it.
Ay, thank you! Ah, ito ice cream.
Ah.
You have a surprise of it?
Ah, later pa, babalik.